सकच्चिद युयुधान आस्ते यः फाल्गुनालब्धधनुर्हस्या लेभे अंजसा दोक्षजा सेवयेवा गतिं तदीयां यतिभिर्दुरापाम्. O Uddhava, does Yuyudhana fare well? He learned the intricacies of the military art from Arjuna and attained the transcendental destination which is very difficult to reach even for great renouncers. So here, Yuyudhana, who Yuyudhana? He is not famous as Yuyudhana, he is famous as somebody else. Satyaki, he is Satyaki. Satyaki was very, very close. He was student of Arjuna also. In fact, he was so close when Abhimanyu's, they had to burn the body. Arjuna could not do it. He was too much taken for that moment. Satyaki did it. And they made a deal. In case the Pandavas die, he is going to burn their bodies. I was just checking. So Satyaki was very, very close to the Pandavas. And he achieved something very interesting, it is said. What is that he achieved? He achieved personal association of Krishna. युयुधाना का नाम दिया इधर. युयुधाना एक्चुअली सात्विकी है. सात्विकी का नाम सुना होगा महाभारत में. बहुत पावरफुल वॉरियर थे. जब बहुत बारी महाभारत में अटेम्प्ट हुआ था टू किडनैप युधिष्ठिरा, it was Satyaki who used to save. Because the war was between Duryodhana and Yudhishthira. Who will be the ruler? Simple, no? Other people are resisting. And at the same time, so Dronacharya was there on the other side, and he used to plan. वो प्लान करते थे कि किसी तरह अर्जुन को थोड़ा दूर ले जाते हैं, युधिष्ठिर को अरेस्ट कर लेंगे. Because Yudhishthira was not so powerful in fighting. Correct? We will arrest him. Once he is arrested, over, war is over. But every time it was Satyaki who used to foil the plan. He was Arjuna's student and he was too powerful. And they could not overcome him. Okay, these are all different things. There will be so many things about Satyaki's attempt. Once Arjuna saved also Satyaki. Somebody was about to kill him and Arjuna saved him in the battlefield. So what is the main thing which is being meditated here? Vidura is talking about, he achieved personal association of Krishna. क्या चीज़ सात्विकी की है जो अभी जिसके लिए विदुर उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? He got personal association of Krishna. So the beginning of spiritual life, हमारे आध्यात्मिक जीवन के शुरुआत में हम लोग बहुत इम्पर्सनल रहते हैं. बहुत बारी मैं डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ. जैसे बस में आप टिकट खरीदते हो, टीटी की तरफ देखते हो कि कैसे हो, खाना खाया है, उसका चेहरा भी कभी कभी याद नहीं रहता. हाँ, टिकट. Isn't it? We deal more or less impersonally. We are also dealing with Guru and Krishna very impersonally now. हाँ, एक चीज़ है, थोड़ा नमस्कार कर दो. We are not personal. Isn't it? A personal means you develop attachment. No attachment is you dealt with some kuch hai. Maybe we dress and worship also, but we are not dealing personally. You know the famous example? I told 100 times, I'll tell one more time. One pujari was doing puja. So पुजारी ने पूजा करा, 50-60 साल पूजा करा भगवान का, और एक दिन जाके बोला कि देखो 60 साल आपका सेवा किया, एक बार भी आपने दर्शन नहीं दिया. कुछ मतलब मेरे भगवान कभी स्वप्न में आते हैं, कभी कुछ आपको कुछ इंडिकेशन देते हैं, एक बारी भी नहीं हुआ. मैं तंग आ गया, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं आपका सेवा करके. वो घंटा रखता है और बोलता हूँ जा रहा हूँ. सडनली उसके पीछे विग्रह उसके कंधे पे आ रखता. अब क्यों? चैलेंज. अब क्यों? वाई नाउ? इस इट सी 60 साल जो सेवा किया ना, बिल्कुल एक जैसा इम्पर्सनल में सेवा किया. Therefore, I also did not reciprocate. First day you talk to me personally, and I am reciprocating you personally. Okay? So it's all depends on the personal touch. So actually we are not in this position presently to personally relate to the Lord. That's why Krishna is not coming. It's not that भगवान कृष्ण हमारे सामने नहीं आ सकते, हम अभी उसके लायक नहीं है. Is it true? ये तो चीज़ है ना, अभी हम लायक नहीं है भगवान की. We cannot handle. We will not be able to handle it. Krishna knows that. We will be in a very difficult position. Krishna knows. Therefore, it doesn't come. And very kindly, there was one very nice poem some devotee wrote. It's very, very nice poem. In fact, we have read that poem many times. It came in Dandavats also, ISKCON's website. That somebody says, what if Prabhupada comes to your house? Will you continue reading newspapers when Prabhupada comes to your house? Won't you keep it away? Won't you stop in front of Prabhupada criticizing other devotees? Won't you, all list he has given. So many list things we do which you should not to be doing. Then he says after that, would you wish quickly Prabhupada goes away so he can continue the same life? The same way Krishna also, अभी ये problem है, अरे भाई इसके यहाँ आ गए, इसको तो बड़ी problem हो जाएगी, इसको तो he will feel embarrassed, थोड़ा दूर ही रहते, तू कर अभी compromise devotion service, because at this moment you are not ready for my personal touch. Okay? So it's true, personal touch is actually, that is the bhakti, What in the preface of the Bhagavad Gita, what does it say? It says, very interesting, what does it say? What we have to do? We have to, instead of satisfying our senses, we have to satisfy senses of Krishna. This is bhakti. This is the definition of bhakti. That takes whole life. We are so much focused on our own self. Therefore we learn. In association of devotees we learn. योगी जंगल में जाके ये चीज कभी नहीं सीख पाएंगे. They are still focused on themselves. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj says they are very selfish. In his prayers to Narasimha Dev, he says some people who go to the forest for their own self-realization, they are very, very selfish people. It doesn't give any value to them. They're only focused on myself. I am feeling happy, I am not feeling happy. You're not thinking about Krishna, you're not thinking about Guru. You're only thinking about yourself. And Guru and Krishna have to be used for my satisfaction. Correct? They should also keep me happy. See, I'm not feeling happy. What? Prabhupada. But it's different. Spiritual life is different. Spiritual life is actually the person. That is Krishna consciousness. What else is Krishna consciousness? If we have know what is Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness means I take steps to please Krishna. And I feel reciprocation. And that is also true. In fact, even dealing. Now, Prabhupada we cannot see personally. Even him we are not able to see personally. True? But then there are devotees, there are disciples. So we develop. How do you develop even in an ordinary material life? We cannot live without a personal relationship. If we don't have devotees association, we will have karmi association. Correct? And even devotee association, we should be careful. We should be very careful. It should not become sentimental rubbish. Many times devotee association becomes a sentimental nonsense. Just doing prajalpa. And being attached and unconnected with Krishna's devotion service. That also happens sometimes. Silly groups form. They're all, only thing they're doing is honoring each other, worshipping each other without any connection to Guru and Krishna. That is also not correct. It will become some obstacle in spiritual life. Okay, it is meaningless actually. So the whole attention is focused service to Krishna. So even we see the devotee, we see him connected to Krishna. Even we see a devata connected to Krishna. We cannot see anything disconnected from Krishna. Yashisha, what is the famous shloka? Savara Jangama Deke. Ishtadeva Spurti. So not only he is seeing a tree, plants and all, even a devotee or a devata you see, you should see them with their connection to Krishna, not independently. People are not doing like that. लोग देवता पूजा के लिए जाते हैं, भगवान को याद करते नहीं याद करते. वो देवता को they think independent of Krishna. It's an offense. Even you see Lord Shiva independent of Krishna, it's an offense. He is not independent. Correct? True. Is he independent? He is not Swarat. Krishna is Swarat. He is also independent. Whatever you see before Vishnu Tattva is Swarat, independent. Before Vishnu Tattva, anything you see is connected to Krishna. True? You cannot see it independently. If you see it independently, know it to be my Maya. That third shloka of that Chatushloki Bhagavatam. He says, everything is coming from Aham Evasam Eva Agre. Everything is coming from me, and you have to know only till this much in the next shloka. This is total. But if you think there is something which is not connected to me, independent of me, know it to be my Maya. That means if you are seeing at something not connected to Krishna, that means you are under Maya. It's fine? It's fine? Is it clear? If you are seeing. So now, Satyaki was so fortunate that he got personal association of Krishna. Very, very fortunate. So what is our life then? Why is Prabhupada mentioning this? Because he wants us to reach the same privilege. That is the kindness. Acharya wants. And another thing, not only wants, he wants us to work on it urgently. We are not working urgently on it. That's the difference between a pure devotee and us. Pure devotees, his heart will be intensely desiring to serve Krishna. Correct? How do you know that? You will not be able to feel his heart. First thing you will see, avyartha kalatram. One moment, a second, a split second, he cannot waste. Because वो तो वही बाद में पता चलेगा, वो तो दिखता नहीं है. Suppose we meet a devotee, how do you know he's advanced? Because see, point is that spiritual life mein there is a difference between fault finding and discrimination. Fault finding, you go to hell. You have to be very, very careful. Fault finding. Fault finding means it creates to a silly pride. Fault finding, a person is still focused on himself, and I am better than him. I am better than him. He'll go to hell. But there is discrimination, and there is etiquette. There are various issues. There are, respect is given to a person based on the age. Any person who is on age is always should be given respect. And in ISKCON, respect is also given to somebody based on how many years he has been doing service full time at the temple. Correct? As an etiquette. Correct? You may be more advanced, maybe a congregation, but still full-time worker has to be given more respect, and more respect to somebody who is doing service for many years. Etiquette. These are all etiquettes. But ultimately respect is given to somebody because of realization. That is most important. But etiquettes are always observed. Correct? There are so many examples. Very stupid. Prabhupada was in Calcutta that time. And Gaudiya Math was more or less in shambles. Totally in shambles. But still, Prabhupada was a Grihastha. And he used to request from Mayapur or to some devotees to come to take pravachan at his house. And some of them were very young devotees, but they were wearing saffron and they are full-time brahmacharis. So they Prabhupada used to please come. For that time Prabhupada was the Abhay Babu. He used to know the Abhay. Abhay Babu they used to call him. People used to like him very much. They tell of one incident when Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada came to meet Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. Prabhupada met his guru. बहुत कम टाइम मिले प्रभुपाद जी अपने गुरु को. करेक्ट? तो जैसे ही प्रभुपाद जी पहुंचे तो उनको बोला कि दर्शन बंद हो गया है. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada used to darshan means what I told you. What the mark of pure devotee? Split second it does not waste. Look at the life of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Every second. In fact, there are so many times. I was recently mentioning one more thing. Prabhupada's life was very organized. You can tell at 6 o'clock what he does, at 6:30 what he does. Is same thing he does every day. Big people don't do like 5 minutes soye. They do say. Prabhupada stretched himself to 2 hours, but not that nice soyenge. True, sometimes he did not sleep also when traveling different parts of the world. He used to cut off. But anyway, main point was his life was extremely organized. So same Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, he had a time for darshan. When Prabhupada landed, darshan is over. Now he's busy. He's writing books. He's launching his huge movement. So Prabhupada was very sad. He met all the devotees. He came for personal association of his guru. You understand this? I have live in the realization. Let me share. If I get more, I'll tell you next time. So then what happened? He felt very bad. He gave respects to all the devotees. Actually, Prabhupada is spiritually more advanced than all of them. Now it will come out how. So Prabhupada took his luggage, gave respects to also Sridhar Maharaj, all his other godfathers. They were very dear to Prabhupada. And then Prabhupada took his luggage, slowly going down. And then suddenly, Prabhupada, door opened, tuck. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada comes to know. And he looks down, Prabhupada is, holding his suitcase. Call him. Then he comes. And then Prabhupada's guru calls inside in his room, and door is locked. Even his sannyasis cannot come in. Just imagine. So you can know he was very special for his guru. And the hours they were talking. And tuck, door opened. Prabhupada again gave respects to all of them. Now he did not take on pride. What is your position? I got personal interview with Prabhupada. No, gave respects to everybody. Then he came down. So devotees followed etiquette. And then what happened? The Prabhupada used to call. So somehow these brahmacharis used to come, and there is a big gathering Prabhupada will create in his house. He was having a big business. He'll kill so many people. And there was a Prabhupada, what do I say? Really young brahmachari. No, you say. Because he's in saffron dress, he's a brahmachari. Etiquette, he should get more respect. So he will start speaking. Prabhupada, you start speaking. He'll speak something. And then he will say, Prabhupada, now you add. Then Prabhupada will start. His name was that Abhay Babu. And then Prabhupada ji class लेते थे फिर 1 घंटा. But ऊपर एक बैठा देते ब्रह्मचारी को. ये रेगुलर फीचर था करके लाटा. बुलाया कि मायापुर से बुलाते थे. वो आया, प्रवचन शुरू करता था. वो बोलेगा 10-15 मिनट. उसके बाद प्रभुपाद शुरू हो जाते थे. वो तो आचार्य है. So like that. So etiquette is always a mark, an ornament of a Vaishnava. Even Prahlad Maharaj, you see, his guru was there. Prahlad Maharaj's father tried to kill him, but still etiquettes. Every time he used to go to his father, full obeisances. You notice? He used to give dandavat to his father, full respects, and he used to stand with folded hand. Yes, my dear father. And father is saying, kill him today also. He never got angry at his father. He did his job. Uska job jo hai wo kare. I will do my job. He was clean on his job. So very important. So develop personal relationship actually cannot be done. In fact, we cannot even dance with devotees. Now this, I'll tell you this realization, not we. This laughter club has gone. I was just reading the people's realization laughter. It's very popular nowadays. Some fools gather together. गधे लोग इकट्ठे होके इकट्ठा नाचते हैं. बंगाल में चल रहा है? बंगाल में नहीं है. Even jail they do that. They went to jail and now people are showing on the video. People laughter club. And they show some snippets of people laughing. हो गया लोग खुश हो गए. ठीक है. हंसना अच्छा ही है. Nothing wrong to laugh. But one realization they had is that you can ask people to gather together. No, all the household ladies or old people all gather together laugh. He said we cannot laugh together unless we become humble and respect another person. You cannot laugh. If you are snobbish, you cannot laugh. Can you laugh with the next person? What do you say? Office में आपके 5 लोग होंगे इकट्ठे नहीं हंस पाएंगे because everybody is envious of each other, है ना? You have to have, yeah. So ये बोला उनको भी इतना रियलाइजेशन आ गया है कि आपस में इकट्ठा हंसना है तो एक दूसरे को इज्जत देना पड़ेगा और नम्र बनना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट? सिमिलरली कीर्तन में इकट्ठे भक्त नहीं डांस कर पाते जब तक एक दूसरे की इज्जत नहीं करोगे. That is my realization. You feel, I am, what is that? Trinadapi sunichena tarorapi sayushna amanina manadena kirtena sadara. जब तक आप इसको फॉलो नहीं करोगे भक्तों के साथ नाच नहीं पाओगे. आप लोग अपने में ही नाचते रहोगे. वो तो इम्पर्सनलिस्ट हो गया ना. क्या बोलते हैं प्रभुपाद जी? जो एक वैकुंठ जगत में लोग कृष्ण के साथ नाचते हैं. मेटेरियल वर्ल्ड में लोग अपना नाच बनाते हैं. करेक्ट? एंड इम्पर्सनलिस्ट जो है वो अकेला नाचता है. पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट कमिंग. ठीक है? सो इट्स अ बिग आर्ट एक्चुअली. पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप इज अ वेरी बिग आर्ट. In fact, it takes many years to develop this art. It is not one day effort. So much we rub against each other. That's the austerity. But it has a lot of learning. I told you the same example. The yogi, when he doing meditation in the forest, he will not get this privilege. But living together, see what happens. Every individual, हर आदमी अपने कर्म से सुरक्षित है. कोई किसी को हानि नहीं कर सकता, तो किसी से डरने की जरूरत है ही नहीं. जैसा प्रहलाद महाराज को नरसिंहदेव का पूर्ण सुरक्षा था, वो तो पर्सनल सुरक्षा था, लेकिन आपके कर्म तो आपको सुरक्षित रखते ही हैं. करेक्ट? So therefore it's a great art. We don't have to feel threatened from any person because nobody can do anything. But then all we are seeking in the association of devotees, we are seeking association for advancement.
Hare Rama